To order a complete battery replacement kit, please visit our website at newpower99.com. newpower99.com, giving new life to your old stuff.
Find a soft cloth or other means to protect the face of your Sony. Begin by removing the 2 screws located on the back of your device. Detach the clips securing your Sony's back cover using the tool provided in your kit from newpower99.com. Remove the back cover. Remove the original battery. Disconnect the original battery. Replace the original battery with a new extended life battery from newpower99.com. Connect the new battery. Reattach your Sony's back cover as shown. Replace the 2 screws to secure the back cover. Turn on your Sony with its newly installed battery from newpower99.com. Your Sony should now work perfectly. Be sure to charge the device for at least 2 hours before continuing to use.
newpower99.com, giving new life to your old stuff.